going to show you some new things on Microsoft Word. The first thing we will learn about the columns. How can we divide our text in the columns? And the second thing we will learn about the header and footers. How can we use header and footers in Microsoft Word? And we will see how can we use it. And in the last, we will see about the symbols. How can we use different symbols in Microsoft Word? So let's start by guys. So the first we comes on the columns. Columns usually make our work, our document easy. It will make your document easier to read by using columns and tabs for text paragraph. So as you know, suppose I have this text here, and if I have maybe it will come in 3 pages or 4 pages, but if we divide into the column, so maybe it will finish within 2 pages. If it's coming in 4 pages, so it will come in 2 pages. Okay, so guys, let's start. So you can see now I have this text. I just copy this text, the whole, uh, only just to show you how we can, you have too many data or another data, so how can you divide it? So guys, the first thing what we have to do, we will select the text what we have it. You can select from the mouse, drag the mouse on the text, or you can hold the control button and press A, so it will select. Control plus A, so we use this shortcut key for selection. Okay, once you select this, you will go up. You see on the top there are different tabs: home, insert, page layout, reference. So we have to click on page layout. Once we click on page layout, so we will find here columns. This columns will divide our text into the groups. So now we click on the columns, and how many columns I needed? Suppose I need 2 columns. I click on 2. So you can see now our text has been divided into 2 columns. Now the half text is coming here and the half text is coming here. If I press Control A and I make 3, so you can see now it's divided into 3 columns. If there is a heading, so also the heading will divide. If you want to make only just one like before, so you will select 1, so your text will be like before. So this is very easy and simple. Just you should know if you are working in organization, or if you are working in the school, or you are the student, so you should know how many columns should I select, so it will be good for me. Usually we use 2 columns. So but it's depend on your work. So guys, now we come on the second topic. The second, how we can put the header and footer. Basically, why we use header and footer? We use page header is the part of the page above the main text. The page footer is the part below the main text. Use a header to show the title of the document and a footer to add more information. For example, sometimes you use a page number. Your document will look more professional and will be easier to browse through. Or if you want to give the page number or date or some headings, but you should remember when you use header and footer, the text of or piece of information you type is repeated on every page of your document. So you should remember. And usually page numbers are placed either at the center of the page footer or at the corner of the page. But you can put even page numbers on the left and add page numbers on the right if you want to be creative. Put page number anywhere you like. It's depend on your work. Okay, so let's start now. So guys, first we need the header and footer. So what will we do? First we will click on insert on the top. You can see now we were on the page layout. Now we will click on insert, and here we will click on the header. You can see here there is a header. There are blank header, blank 3 columns, so you can see all these because the video will be too long. The most important part I explain you here. You click on alphabet. So once you click on alphabet, so you will find here the header. So now you can type anything. Suppose I write walking the Amazon, the incredible story of Stafford. Suppose, so for example, I am writing this. Okay, I remove this one here. Now you put it. Now once you click on the page anywhere, so you can see now this is, we put the header here, but it will come in every page. You can see this is the second page, but it's coming on this page also. Okay, so if you want to change, so next page you can give the footer, because so once you give the header or footer, so it comes in each page. So like this now, you can see now on the top the header is coming, because you know like in your body you have the head on the top. So the header is on the top, and footer, like your foot, will be on your down. So again we will click insert, and now we will come not header, footer. Here again I select this one, alphabet, and here I can write any of the text, or I can choose the date if I want. So like you can see now, in the design, in insert, uh, it will come automatically. So on the design tab, in the insert group, this one, in the insert group, you can see there is a date and time. So you can click on date and time, and you can choose the format, which type of format you need. Suppose I say this one. Okay, I select this one and then click OK. So you can see now here there is a date. Okay, now there is a date, and like this, you can choose here the page number, like we have it already. If you want the page number, so you can select from here which type of page number you want. Okay, but usually we used this type of page number in the offices and the working places. So now once I select anywhere in the page, so you can see now we put the header and we put the footer, but it will come on every page. The same thing will come on every page. So like this we can put the header and footer. Now there is one more thing, symbols. So sometimes you want to make your text fancier. There are many special characters you can use, and these characters we call symbols. They can be arrows, they can be bullet, math symbols, stars, or icons, small icons. Okay, so let's see how we will use it. So for the symbols, we have to go again on insert, and in the last you will find here the symbols. Okay, so you can see there are some of the symbols, but you need more symbols, so you can click on more symbols, and here you can see there are many symbols you can see, and you can choose which symbols you want to take it. Because I cannot tell you all the symbols, so what will I do? I will select here wingdings. Wingdings, this is very good, and usually we use most of the symbols from here. Okay, all these things you can check, because if I will show you one by one, so the video will be too long. So this is the font we use most. Okay, so also there is a special characters. You can choose the special characters like copyright. Sometimes copyright, means like you launch some product and you are the owner, and you don't want to authorize someone, so you can use copyright or registered or trademark or special characters there are. Okay, so we come on the uh, wingdings, and we choose any of the symbol here. Suppose I choose this and then click insert, then close. So now I selected the symbol, but this symbols you can use on different places, like copyright. If you this symbol copyright, so you can use